that I wanted to have Mos Eisley to be more exotic and to be larger and have spaceships and more creatures running around.
Mos Eisley Spaceport. You will never find a more wretched hive of scum and villainy. We must be cautious.
Deja vu.
What did you just say?
Nothing, just had a little deja vu.
What did you see? What happened?
A black cat went past us, and then another that looked just like it.
What you're about to see may disturb you.
Move, children! Vámonos!